Hello and welcome to WebMeet. This tutorial shows you how to use video postcards to create stronger first impressions, better follow-up, and deeper engagement with your team. Quick assessment. When you invite people to a meeting, do they feel personally invited? Or does your invitation look like the same generic links everyone else sends? Think of a video postcard as a digital handshake. Before the meeting, it sets tone and expectation. After the meeting, it reinforces belief and direction. Used consistently, it turns moments into momentum. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use video postcards to create stronger first impressions, accelerate trust, and build a more engaged organization. While there are endless ways you can use video postcards, there are two specific opportunities where a short video message will make a significant positive impact on your client relationships. The first, before a meeting, you'll send a warm introduction and a link to more information such as a white paper, another video, or the link to your next meeting. Here's an example of what a warm introduction would look like.
Hey, good morning, Tony, Carrie, and the whole team over at True Harvest Health. I'm super excited to show you how WebMeet, your brand of WebMeet, is going to explode the growth of your organization. Right now, I'm using my video postcard studio so that you can place a face with the voice that you've been hearing the last couple of days. And also, that link that we talked about, it's just down below. It's for the white paper that's specific to your business. Invitations are already sent out, and so you'll all have those in your email. I look forward to speaking with you guys tomorrow morning. Take care. Bye.
What you just watched was how most people use video postcards to record a short, informal video that creates a human connection. After a meeting is where you will send a quick follow-up message and a link to the next steps. Here's an example of what a follow-up message would look like.
Danny, hey, Tom Eager here. I'm using my video postcard studio to send you this quick little message to say thank you so much for your time. Thanks for all your team showing up for our meeting today. We covered a lot of ground. One cool way you can use video postcards to add a little bit of a personal touch is put in a background. So this is one of my favorite places on the entire planet. It's called Snow Canyon. It's about 5 miles from my house. Just a little background to keep things interesting and personalized in my video postcards. And that link that we were talking about in our meeting, I've got a little surprise for you. It's right down below. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.
It's important to remember that getting people to like and trust you isn't just done in the meeting. That connection happens in the moments before and after. Don't miss these important opportunities to stand out from the crowd and be memorable. And the third most common use of video postcards is as a relationship building tool, where you can easily give recognition, encouragement, updates, or simply share a fun family video. On these types of informal video postcards, it's not necessary to include your phone, email, and link options, unless you want to use them. Here's a video postcard sharing a snapshot of our family out riding horses.
Going up the hill, perfect time to be recording. One-handed. Come on, Madero.
A video postcard template holds your postcard background color, page background color, your personal or company branding, a personal message, as well as your preferred icon colors and your contact details, empowering you to create truly customized experiences. Once you've built your postcard templates, you will not need to repeat the setup steps and customization options every time you want to send someone a video. With a template already created, you'll simply record or upload a video, select a template, name the postcard, and then press send. To access the Video Postcard Studio, log into your host dashboard and click Video Postcards. From here, you can create a new video postcard, record a video, and upload a pre-recorded video. Before sending any videos, we're going to optimize your workflow. In the same way that setting up templates saves hours of repetitive steps, creating video postcard templates now allows you to quickly and easily send branded video messages in your day-to-day workflow. Now, let's create your first template for those you invite to your meetings. First, click Create Postcards. Since I'm only building a template right now, I can skip adding a name and I can also skip selecting a video for now. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will pause now and then resume once I've set up this first template. Now that I've set up this first invited guests template, let's review all the customization options that can give your video postcards a very personalized and branded look and feel. If I want a custom image to display in the email people receive, activate the email poster image control, then upload a 640 by 360 pixel image. If you don't need a branded poster image to display, simply keep this control turned off and the first frame of your video will be displayed in the email people receive. Here, I've selected a background color for the postcard area. And here, I've selected the page background color. Next are the icons or buttons that I can choose to display along the bottom of my video postcard, and you can see the color I've selected here. If this postcard is going only to one person, I usually just type that person's name in the title field. If it's going to be sent to a group of people, I'll address the group with a "Hello Team" or "Good Morning Company" name. In the message area, I've included a short message and a clear call to action. The core message will be in what I say in the video, so I want to keep this text to a minimum. Then I've added a phone number, an email address, and again, these are all completely optional fields. And last, I can add a link to a white paper, an order page, or a link to anything. Now I scroll up and click Save as Template. I will name this first template Invited Guests, and then click OK. Now, by clicking the Select Template button, I can see that I've now just built an asset, a video postcard template, that I will use every time I create a video postcard for my invited guests. Remember this, the key to leveraging technology is in the setting it up step to make the process of using this tool day to day as easy as possible. Now, let's repeat the process to create a follow-up template. As you can see, I have now created a follow-up video postcard template. I like to use a slightly different color design, and this is just a personal preference. When I follow up with a person or a group, I will always reference something of value or convenient for them by linking to whatever that might be. In my particular case, I'm linking out to our revenue calculator page, which I know will be of interest to those I'm presenting to. When I click Save as Template, I will name this second template Follow Up After Meeting, and then click OK. Now, when I click the Select Template button again, I can see the video postcard templates that have been created. Remember, your follow-up is where duplication happens. If you skip the follow-up, momentum dies. Become familiar with video postcards so that it becomes an easy routine to send a short, personal video message to your important clients, prospects, and even your entire organization. Let's go back to the video postcard dashboard. You can click the Record Video button to record a new video message, and you can click the Upload Video button to use a video from your device. Both options will place the new video into the library. I've already recorded a message that I'd like to send to groups of people whom I'll soon be meeting with. So my first step is to go to the library where all my videos are stored. Then, on the video I want to send, click Create Postcard on that video. Next, I will click the Select Template button to choose a template for this video. Type a name for the postcard and then press Save. Note that I can create multiple postcard designs and send them out to people using the same video. To send this video postcard, click the envelope icon, select a meeting that I created. Choose the recipients. Personalize the email if desired. And then press Send. That's it. After the meeting, when you're ready to send a follow-up video, follow those same steps that you did to send the warm-up video to your invited guests. A guest who attended one of your meetings from a link that was shared and not through the system where you entered their email address. Click this arrow button to copy the link to clipboard, then send the link in a text message, email, or however you prefer to those people. For personal messages, like a personal family video or recognition or encouragement, follow the same steps. Click the Create Postcard button on your video. Select a template. Customize the message if needed. Type a name for this postcard. Press Save. And then click the Copy Link button. You can now paste that link into an email, a text message, a blog post, or a social media reply. This is an easy way to stay visible and connected between meetings. Always send a video postcard. Before every meeting, after every meeting, when someone joins, when someone achieves something, or when someone goes quiet. The more consistently your team uses video postcards, the more unified your entire organization feels. Video postcards are not just a feature. They're your digital relationship accelerator, and that's how you build an organization that grows. Thank you for your interest in WebMeet, and thanks for watching.